Hey guys, welcome to the next way trading. My name is Lister, and today I'm gonna share with you this live trading session with pocket option and the strategy I'm gonna use in it and how writable can be trading with this turbo study for binary options. I'm gonna use in three indicators: the stochastic oscillator, the RSI, and the Bollinger Bands. The setups I'm gonna leave it below in this video how to configure your indicators and how you can trade with this turbo study for binary options and how writable can be if you trade with this turbo strategy for binary options. If you want to copy my trades, you can register with the link below in this video. Using the link, you need to register, make your deposit, and send to us your information. But if you already have your account with Pocket Options, I invite you to join us to the Telegram group or the Discord group to be part of this, okay? And so telling this, I'm gonna leave it with this video. I'm gonna explain in the video how to follow the signals and how to trade with this strategy. So I really hope this video like it. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and wish me good luck.
chase and the hunt, and I set the pace when I'm running. I always take what I want and I always give it 100. Don't need a bank, no I'm funded. Play the game like it's nothing. I'm always thankful for something. Don't take for granted, stay humble. Now wake up! It's time to look at the enemy. Look in the mirror if he is no friend to me. It's not working out, maybe it's the chemistry. It's time to break up so I can make a better me. Better believe in your mind, cause it's everything. You can mold, shape, find almost anything. All it takes is some time and some clarity to find your identity. It's mind over everything. I'm immortal. When I feel like this, I'm immortal. When I feel like this, I'm immortal. When I feel like this, I'm immortal. Don't stop, just don't stop. Crack. And if you get in my way, you gonna feel the wrath. Gotta say it to my face while he's looking back. Mirror breaks after math. When I hate, I attack. And when I feel like this, I'm immortal. And when I feel like this, I'm immortal. And when I feel like this, I'm immortal. 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 Don't stop, just don't stop.
Okay, guys, I have won out the money. That is a bad thing because I want to reach the $10,000. So I don't want to make over trading. I think I have a good profit with this research for binary options, and I have a goal here, and is everybody need to generate profits, and I share with you my social trading. So I really hope so this video like it. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, smash this video, and see you in the next wave.